in our ever-evolving journey toward self-discovery and understanding. The intricate relationship between thought and action frequently surfaces as a fundamental element of human experience. Through extensive introspection and philosophical inquiry, I have come to appreciate how our thoughts shape our actions, thus defining the very course of our lives. This relationship is not merely a theoretical proposition. It is a principle that manifests in both subtle and profound ways in my daily choices and overarching life decisions. The notion that thinking defines actions aligns closely with philosophical tenets explored by figures such as Socrates, who famously asserted that the unexamined life is not worth living. This statement resonates deeply with my understanding of self-reflection as a catalyst for informed and intentional action. It is through the process of examining our beliefs, values, and motivations that we can discern the underlying drivers of our behavior. In my own life, this has involved an ongoing commitment to introspection, particularly during times of uncertainty or challenge. I have discovered that my thoughts can either empower or hinder me. For instance, when faced with obstacles, it is often my mindset that determines my response. A belief rooted in optimism prompts me to approach challenges with resilience and creativity, whereas a mindset tinged with doubt leads to inaction and a sense of stagnation. This realization has fostered a deep sense of gratitude within me. I am grateful for the capacity to choose my thoughts and, consequently, the ability to choose my actions. This awareness has encouraged me to cultivate positive thinking patterns that align with my values of growth, compassion, and excellence. Moreover, this exploration of thought and action extends beyond the realm of personal experience to encompass broader social implications. Our collective thoughts shape societal norms, cultural beliefs, and institutional practices. I am particularly compelled by the idea that our shared philosophies can inspire collective action toward meaningful change. Witnessing communities rallying around social justice issues or environmental sustainability driven by a shared vision reinforces my belief in the power of collective thought. This realization fills me with gratitude, recognizing that I am part of a larger tapestry of human experience where collaborative thinking can transform actions on a grand scale. As I reflect on my journey, I also acknowledge the role of philosophical frameworks in guiding my actions. Engaging with diverse philosophical perspectives, from existentialism to pragmatism, has afforded me the tools to navigate complex ethical dilemmas and integrate a coherent framework for decision-making. The complexity of the human condition often requires nuanced thinking, and I am thankful for the intellectual rigor that philosophy provides. It challenges me to consider not only the consequences of my actions, but also the motivations behind them, ensuring that my choices resonate with my deepest values. In application of this philosophical exploration, I have consciously aimed to align my daily actions with my thoughts. Whether in professional environments or personal relationships, I strive to embody the principles derived from my reflective practice. An ongoing commitment to mindfulness serves as a reminder that the present moment is where thought and action coalesce. By being present, I can better align my responses to the world around me with my core values, fostering a more authentic existence. In conclusion, my journey through the philosophical landscape of how thinking defines actions has illuminated the profound impact of thought on every facet of life. I am grateful for the clarity this exploration has provided, the empowerment it has fostered, and the connections it has nurtured. As I move forward, I carry with me the understanding that conscious thought is not just a solitary endeavor, but a vital precursor to meaningful action in both my life and the collective human experience. This realization bolsters my resolve to engage thoughtfully, act intentionally, and contribute positively to the worlds I inhabit. Furthermore, as we collectively grapple with a rapidly changing global landscape, the tension between thought and action becomes increasingly salient. With complex issues such as climate change, social inequities, and geopolitical tensions demanding our attention, the imperative to engage in thoughtful discourse has never been more critical. It is evident that reactive behaviors, driven by fear or misinformation, can lead to divisive actions that compromise our shared humanity. Therefore, fostering a culture of reflective thinking not only serves individual advancement, but also lays the groundwork for collective progress. A key aspect of this reflective culture is the ability to cultivate empathy, a quality that allows us to view situations from diverse perspectives. Engaging with differing viewpoints fosters a richer understanding of the challenges faced by others and encourages collaboration rooted in respect and common goals. In my own experience, listening actively to others has transformed my thought processes, resulting in more inclusive actions. I have learned that the interplay of thought and action is not just a reflection of our individual selves, but is deeply interconnected with the society we inhabit. In the realm of education, this principle becomes particularly poignant. The responsibility of educators extends beyond mere knowledge transfer. It encompasses instilling a sense of critical consciousness that empowers students to think deeply and act responsively. By encouraging learners to interrogate their own beliefs and the world around them, we equip future generations with the mental tools needed to navigate and shape a complex landscape effectively. Consequently, I firmly believe that promoting environments that prioritize reflective thought leads to more informed and compassionate actions both personally and collectively. As I strive to embody this philosophy in my life, I find solace in the knowledge that every conscious choice contributes to a broader narrative of humanity. This narrative is one that celebrates the intertwining of thought and action, one that seeks harmony, understanding, and progress in the face of adversity. Moving forward, I remain committed to this ongoing dialogue between thought and action, as I recognize their intrinsic bond shapes not only my path, but also the paths of those with whom I share this journey. Each step taken with intention is an affirmation of the power of our collective thoughts, underscoring the profound truth that when we think wisely, we can act meaningfully. In this way, I strive to contribute my voice, grounded in reflection, to the ever-expanding conversation of what it means to be human in an interconnected world.